Hello and welcome to Stocks Advisor channel. Here we are looking for interesting buy opportunities for US-based stocks. Today we'll have a look at Colgate-Palmolive Corporation, traded at New York Stock Exchange, ticker name CL. Well, actually it's an interesting stock because now it's showing the switch from a general upwards wave to a boost wave. And to understand what does it mean, let's first have a look at general stats. So after having the dip due to COVID at 23rd of March here, the stock was showing actually very strong recovery, and this recovery is continuing even now, so that this is like let's call it trend one. And it's important to note here that we are already in the area of kind of pre-COVID set here. So if you look at this line, it's a pre-COVID set. So we are already, it's no mean it's a resist line, but it's just to indicate that we're in the pre-COVID set here. This is that line. So everything that goes beyond means that we fully recovered actually. And what you can see here, starting from 23rd of March, the stock was going with waves. So it's going with recovery waves. First wave ended at 11th of May. And then second wave started actually, and then the stock picked up the moving average 50 and 20 as their support. So like smaller waves, you can say, or you can call it one big wave, which again was reconfirmed at trend one at the end of June. And now we have another wave that ended actually like beginning of this week. And we have this final last wave ongoing. And the last candle we saw today was actually very bullish doji, almost looking like a hammer. So the question is, will it really go up, or what will happen here? This is indeed, the wave has started from this week, and the wave did not finish yet. And also other indicators say that wave is still there to go higher, because if you look at RSI index, we're still too high from going to overbought situation as it was at pre-COVID case, but indeed we have a strong uptrend of RSI from last two waves here. You can see it. So the previous wave started, and this wave started forming a very strong RSI uptrend heading to overbought areas. So there is still a lot of fuel to go high and bring this stock higher. So what could happen here at the beginning? Actually, next week still some volatility can be just above the level of trend one to reconfirm it, but in general the trend should go higher, and some volatility can be expected at this pre-COVID line. Let's call it PC, pre-COVID. Yeah. Pre-COVID line actually, and let's write it. Yeah, so for this PC line, and after having some volatility at this level, we will need to see if we will reach the overbought zone. If not, then further continuation upwards trend is expected here. So here what we can expect is a classical acceleration wave. So when you have a normal wave and then immediately it starts to accelerate, giving big boost, because usually the upwards waves the general trend should end up with this extreme upwards accelerated wave with this preset of RSI. Also, if you look at MACD, indeed this accelerated wave formation is also proposed here, because if you look when the previous wave started, it was classical minimum of the negative MACD wave, and then another wave of the price of the trend started when we were crossing the zero at MACD. Now we see continuation towards positive wave, and this wave is just starting here, meaning like we still have a lot of fuel. The MACD wave should form itself as well. So until it is formed and until we reach over both area and RSI, we are safe to stay on the wave, should go upwards. That's it for CL for now. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.